Hello children, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today we are going to start exercise 9B. We have completed till exercise 9A in the previous class. Today we are going to start exercise 9B. Okay, so let's start. Those who have the books with you children, please turn to page number 128. Those who have the books with you children, please turn to page number 128. So we can start. See children, exercise 9B, number 1. Add the following. Add the following. These are very easy. I think all of you can do it on your own. Meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter. All these sums are there. Only additions. You can easily do it. See, the same way we have done 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8 also you can say 11. So 11 meter, 60 centimeter is your answer. Next, 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry and you are going to write 4 here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 here, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So 42 meter, 44 centimeter. In this way, I'm sure all of you will be able to do all the sums. Children, but please don't forget to write the units. If you don't write the units, your sum will be wrong. Now, in number 3, children, here it's given side by side. 5 kilometers, 697 meter. And 1 kilometer, 1 meter. You're going to write it column wise and then add. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. Please write it column wise like this. Kilometer, meter. Meter, centimeter. The columns will be different. Okay? Meter, separately you have to add. And meter column will be separate and centimeter will be separate. And then the addition as it is, as you have learned. Okay, so number 3 will be your homework. You're going to do it on your own, and at the same time I'm also going to send it. You can check it out from there. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Number 4, children, what problems are there? Okay, see number 4A. Sapna bought 13 meter 44 centimeter of cloth from one shop, and 5 meter 78 centimeter of cloth from another shop. So there was a girl named Sapna. She bought 13 meter 44 centimeter cloth from one shop, and from another shop she bought 5 meter 78 centimeter cloth. Now the question is asking how much cloth did she buy from both the shops. So how much cloth did she buy from both the shop? Simple addition. But we are going to do it with the help of statements, because word problems. These are word problems. See how I have done it. See exercise 9B. Sapna bought cloth from one shop. Sapna bought cloth from one shop. 13 meter 44 centimeter. See, Sapna bought cloth from one shop equal 13 meter 44 centimeter. Then Sapna bought cloth from another shop 5 meter 78 centimeter. See, the meter column is separate, the centimeter column is separate, and then we will add. So total, therefore total cloth bought. Do the addition and then write the answer. So hence Sapna bought, after you add you will get 19 meter 22 centimeter. So Sapna bought 19 meter 22 centimeter cloth from both the shops. This is going to be your answer. Okay, in this way only you have to do it. You can change the statements as you wish, but children, you have to write the statements in whatever way you want. Okay, let's go to the next one. See. B. Wires of length 6 meter 40 centimeter, 8 meter 50 centimeter and 10 meter 85 centimeter are needed to fix antennas in 3 houses. How much wire is needed? So there are 3 houses, and in 3 houses we will need wires to fix the antennas. So in one house we'll be needing 6 meter 40 centimeter. In another house we'll be needing 8 meter 50 centimeter. And in the third house we'll be needing for 10 meter 85 centimeter. So what is the total length of the wire? See, the question is also asking the same thing. How much wire is needed? See, how will we do it? Length of the first wire. See, length of the first wire 6 meter 40 centimeter. Length of the second wire 8 meter 50 centimeter. Length of the third wire 10 meter 85 centimeter. So total length of the wire needed. Simply you're going to add it and then write the answer. Your answer will be 25 meter 75 centimeter. So 25 meter 75 centimeter wire is needed to fix the antennas in 3 houses. Okay. See the third one. A shopkeeper bought a rope of length 36 meter 48 centimeter. A shopkeeper bought a rope of length 36 meter 48 centimeter and another rope of length 46 meter 82 centimeter. What is the total length of both the ropes? So from the shopkeeper bought a rope of length 36 meter 48 centimeter. That means for the shopkeeper bought one rope and the length of the rope was 36 meter 48 centimeter. Then he again bought another rope. Okay, he bought another rope and that rope's length was 46 meter 82 centimeter. So a question is asking what is the total length of both the ropes. So we have to find the total length. Same thing, we have to do addition again. See, length of the first rope. Length of the first rope is 36 meter 48 centimeter. Length of another rope is 46 meter 82 centimeter. So total length of both of ropes he bought will be, you just have to add 8 plus 2 10 0 1 carry 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 8 13 3 1 carry 6 plus 1 7 7 plus 6 13 3 and 1 carry 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 4 8. So 83 meter 30 centimeter will be your answer. So hence 83 meter 30 centimeter is the total length of both the ropes. Okay, and D will be your homework. You're going to do it on your own. D. This will be your homework. I have already done 3 sums. I've explained you. So D, you're going to do it on your own. And of course, I'm going to send the snapshot of the solution. Check it from there. After doing it on your own. But children, I request all of you to try the sum on your own. If you can't, then you see. But if you can, please do it on your own. Okay? So I hope children you have understood the sums. If you haven't, please go through the video again and again. I'm sure all of you will get to understand. Okay, if not, I'm always there to help you out. If you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to contact me. Always. Okay, so no more for today. We are going to meet in the next class and we are going to start exercise 9C. Okay, in 9C also simple subtraction is there. I'm sure all of you will be able to do it, the first few sums, and then I'm also going to explain you the word problems. Okay, so no more for today. We are going to meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.